for drinking. There's more here if you want.
Yeah, well, in a little bit.
That's kind of creepy.
What? Caution tape?
It's a murder scene.
It's a murder scene.
Probably.
I've never seen what's on the other side of this. Whoa. That's pretty badass. Guys, the bait of the day is marshmallows. Yes, it freaking works. Huh? Okay. Yep, just marshmallows. I will prove to you guys that it does work. Got him. On the marshmallow. Nice little rainbow. Nice little rainbow trout. Oh, that's one. You know, I heard that this is like an old trick for catching trout. And as you see, it does work. Figured I'd try it out for myself, and it works. So let's see if we can catch another one, huh? It's pretty crazy. It's was it June 4th? We got overcast skies. It's like 56 or 58 degrees. We got a nice breeze going. There's still snow on the ground in some places up here at Bucks Lake. It just blows my mind. Usually we're already up here camping and catching fish with the family and hanging out, and just a little bit more difficult with these conditions. I don't know what's going on this year. A lot of people, they can clown on the marshmallow tactic, marshmallow trick, but it works. It does work. We'll go check on my buddy and see how he's doing. Thought that was a fish for a second chasing it, but see, I have a weight on this. This is a good thing about the marshmallows. The weight hits the bottom, the marshmallows float up off the bottom. Trout are not bottom feeders, so it makes it a lot easier for them to see and easier for them to grab. So we're gonna go check and see if my buddy's caught any, and we'll get back to it. Hey yo. Yeah, I'm already limited out. I'm just kidding. No, I caught one. You guys didn't catch anything? Oh, I think he's still on. He's not bigger. Don't look. Is it a rainbow? So 2 browns, 2 rainbows. This wind could fuck off, that'd be nice. You know, the good thing about using marshmallows is you always have a fucking snack. You got another one? Holy shit. Wow. Yeah, they got sharp ass teeth. I got my phone too. Damn. Yeah, let me snap a picture of that. On to another spot. Well, if there's ever a spot for me to eat shit, this is that spot. Holy fuck. Oh.
I'm actually just telling him anything that's
Alright guys, so we ended up moving. We were straight across over there. Now we're on the other side of the lake. Getting out of the wind. Let's see if we can make something happen here. Alright guys, so we've caught 5 between the 3 of us. I've caught 1, my buddy's girlfriend caught 1, and my buddy caught 3. 1 being a really nice brown, probably 18 inches or so. The bite has really slowed down for some odd reason. I'm not sure if it's the wind or cloudy, just the cloudy days. I just don't know. With it being June, the fish should be on fire right now. I mean, we should be smashing them. I was up here a few weeks ago with my wife and our kids, and we did pretty good. I think we got like 10 or 11, letting the kids play around and then go back to fishing and whatnot. But it's definitely slowed down quite a bit. Tried to come to the other side of the dam to get out of the wind, but the wind shifted a little bit, and I don't know, but we'll get back at it and see if we can get some more.